Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you guys about the 2019 270 Vantage with the brand new motors on the back out this year. They are phenomenal. They're twin 200s. They're lighter, they're quieter, there's less vibration, just phenomenal engines, and it's plenty of power for this boat to get you up and right out of the hole in high speed. As you can see, the profile of the boat, you've got the hard top up here, covers the whole from side to side. Plenty of shade if you do want it. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're just out and about, going to the beach, going to lunch, you got a really nice, comfortable 3 adults bench seat here. Very high back, very, very comfortable seat. If you are fishing, all you need to do, just lift it up. It folds away. It's a nice bolster. Now you set up for fishing. You got 4 rod holders here, a couple on the corners as well. And also, for fishing, you just lift this up, and you've got your live well convenient in here. And it also doubles nicely if you're not fishing as a cooler because it's self-draining. Put this down. Now, this seat is fantastic. So it does a multitude of things. So you can sit facing the rear. You can sit facing forward. I can also lay it down. I can lounge facing the rear, and I can also lounge facing forward. I just pull this out. And nice, comfortable lounge seat for 2 people facing forward. So very versatile seat. I love the seat, and it does a lot of things. You do have a table set up right here for. I'll leave this up, and then I'll put this back. Now the head area is a really good size for a 27-foot boat. It's got the vacuum flush head, which is the top of the line head. It's got a faucet with a pull-out sprayer in it, and it's got a little skylight to give you extra lighting in there as well with teak flooring on the bottom. Real nice head. Over at the helm, you've got the digital throttle and shift. State of the art on this now. You can hit the 1 lever button. I can just use 1 lever and keep my RPMs exact all the time. Stereo here, all your gauges, and plenty of room to put a large GPS chart plotter, Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, whatever you want to put on it, you can pick it yourself. As we move to the bow, very comfortable. Large lounger here and a smaller one on this side. Plenty of room in here. And then up here, you have the recessed windlass in the back, and it's totally out of the way, so it's no trip hazard here. And it's also set up where you can put a beach boarding ladder on it as well for going to key wading, that type of thing. It does that very, very well. Little spray here to rinse the sand off your feet. Very versatile boat. We sell a lot of them down here in Naples especially. It does just about everything, the inside well, the outside well. So if you got any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.